What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money online with no website and no investment. If you want to know how to make money today, start earning some money to put in your bank account, in your pocket, I'm going to show you that right now. So just a second, we're going to hop over the computer and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to start making money. But first, I want to give you a tip, okay? If you want to make money online, and it doesn't matter what you're doing, if you are serious about making money online, you must focus on just one idea, all right? On my channel, okay? If you're not yet subscribed to my Homemade Entrepreneur channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe today. Also click that notification bell so you don't see more of my videos. But what you notice is I talk about a bunch of different things. The problem with that, I'm showing you a bunch of different options, but you need to decide that one option, that one idea that's gonna make you some money. So let's get to the video. So you want to know how to make money online, right? Well, it's very simple. You do writing jobs. I'm talking about becoming a freelance writer. It's an incredible business. It's an incredible opportunity. And what most people don't understand is that there's a huge demand for writers, okay? There's writers, there's data entry, there's so much work out there for you to do. As long as you have a computer, an internet connection, hey, that's all you need. And then fingers to type, you can start making some money. So right here, I'm gonna give you 4 different websites you can go to right now to start making money. So the first one, it's called ProBlogger. You can go ProBlogger.com, okay, and click on this button that says jobs, all right? You can see all these different jobs. Now, here's what we wanna do. You wanna find a job that you have some type of interest in or you have some background in. So for example, like this one, legal writers needed for workers' comp, SSD, SSDI, and lemon law blog posts and website content. I don't know anything about any type of legal stuff, okay? I just don't, okay? So because of that, I am not going to actually, do a bid and contact this person to see about writing their content. But do I know about, let's see, photography? Yeah, I know about photography. So maybe I want to click on this one. So I'm gonna open this one up. iPhone Photography School, cool. Let me click on that one. We're hiring the editor of the world's leading iPhone photography website. You can come read all about it right here. And then we can see about contacting this person, all right? We can go to apply. It's that simple, okay? This is just one website, ProBlogger.com, okay? Writing is not a difficult task. It's not, okay? I even put together a little course to show you how to become a freelance writer, but live the freelance lifestyle where you pretty much hire all the people to write the articles, you hire somebody to find the jobs, and you pretty much outsource it all, and you can make over $10,000 per month doing this. And it's a great way to make money. Okay, here's another one. It's called textbroker.com. Let me open up this page and kind of see what it looks like. So this is it right here. So I write content. This is what you get paid. Okay, so you get paid, if you're a 3-star writer, you get paid 1 penny per word, which is great. Okay, 1 penny per word, it's not bad. Okay, if you're a 5-star writer, you get 5 cents per word. On my actual account, so this is actually my account right here, I am listed as a 3-star writer. I bounce back and forth from 3 to 4-star. Currently, I'm a 3-star writer. And so let's say I wanted to come and write any of these articles. Anything under 3-star, I make a penny per word. Anything under 2-star, right here, I make 0.7 cents per word. You can see it right there. Okay. So let's say I want to write something in, I don't know, miscellaneous. Click there. There you go. Top 10 battery for flashlights, 2019. Okay. So the deadline's for 5 days. It needs to be 900 words, and I'd earn $9. Okay. And I believe we get paid every Thursday. So I'd get $9. Okay, so here are the product codes that they want, okay, from Amazon. All right, great. Here's more jobs. Let's say this one, this enroll me thing. What's that? I would like an article on enroll me. An email and subscription service enroll me was featured on TechCrunch. Okay, so you get the idea. And that would pay $3 to $3.50 depending on how many words you put in. But if you put in 600, you only get paid $3.50 because that is their max. The next one, it's Upwork.com. Upwork is an incredible platform. I've been a member of this for ever since it was Elance. So many years ago, probably 10, 12 years ago, something like that. I started on Elance and just worked my way up from there. But on Upwork, now they don't allow a lot of new people to come in at the exact same time. So you can try to get started. You can try to apply to sign up and everything, become a freelance writer. They may approve you, they may deny you depending on the time, all right? But look at this. These are just writers. $60 an hour, $130 an hour, $50 an hour, $35 an hour, okay? We can keep going. $80 an hour, $60 an hour, $150 an hour, $44 an hour, okay? You get the idea. These people are getting paid because they know what to do. They have a decent understanding of there's money to be made as a writer, and there is. Now, those are 3 websites, all right? There's ProBlogger, there's TextBroker, and there's Upwork. There's another one, again, it's all free, okay? There's another one, it's called Craigslist. You've probably heard of it. When you go to Craigslist, forget where you're from, okay? Forget, you're from, Oregon or Texas or who cares, okay? Click on Craigslist Worldwide, okay? You're gonna go to Asia, okay? You're gonna go to Philippines, okay? And then you go to Manila, okay? And that's where I am right now. Manila is one of the best places, in my opinion, to find work. Now, here's why. Most people go to the Philippines to hire outsourcers, to get somebody to be their virtual assistant. Click on gigs. You can come down here and look and see, okay, what are people looking for? Or you can type in the search bar. Let's see, writer. Let's type that in. Product copywriter, website and blog content writer. So these were done almost a month ago. Website and blog content writer right here. I'm looking for a content writer, Filipinos only. Okay, so that one really wouldn't work, probably because they want to keep the price low. Okay, product copywriter, looking for someone to help me with following product copyright. I have around 30 to 40 products on my store, all stickers, featured products. You may read through the details provided. I need you to write 250 to 350 word descriptions that is SEO friendly. Please send me a sample of your work. So you send them a sample of your work, and then you'd say, and for 250 to 350 word description, I would charge you $4. I would charge you $7. I charge you, $200. Whatever you charge, let them know, okay? Because you don't want to waste your time by thinking, oh, they're going to charge me $1 when you are going to charge them $7, and that's not going to work, okay? There's another one. Currently, I'm looking for writers who can write articles about parenting, children, babies, teens, so on and so forth. Ability to produce 3 to 4 articles per week, maybe even more. No fluff or filler. At least 10 long tail keywords that you could use to write at least 1,000-word article. Okay, so there's some stuff they want you to feature in there, and they don't really give you a $10 per 1,000-word article. So pretty good. Penny a word. Okay, not bad. That's what I'm talking about. Things like this, a penny a word, okay? Let me pull up a calculator and show you kind of what you could earn depending on how fast you actually type. So on average, I type right about 100 words per minute, okay? That is faster than the majority of people. The majority of people are going to type probably about 50 words per minute, all right? 40 to 50, we'll just say 50, all right? So every minute, you're going to get 50 cents, okay? You get paid a penny a word. You can do 50 words in a minute. That is, 50 cents. If you multiply that, 0.50 times 60 minutes in an hour, you're going to get paid $30. Now, most likely you're going to have time that you waste. You got to learn. You got to, research some stuff. So we're going to multiply that by 75. Okay, 75%. Means 25% downtime, research time, whatever. Okay, that means you can make $22.50 per hour. If you work 40 hours a week, like the majority of people do, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you're going to make $900 per week, okay? Multiply that by 52 weeks in a year, you will end up making $46,800 in 1 year doing freelance writing. And that is if you're only getting paid a penny per word, which is still really good. Right? So that is a great way. This is an incredible way to make money online. And again, you do not need any money. You do not need a website. You do not need any monetary investment. It is just your time. All right, guys. So before you rush out and start making just a killer amount of money, okay, I want you to make a lot of money. And if you're going to make a lot of money, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. But I want to give you some advice when it comes to writing. The number one piece of advice I have for you guys, and the biggest thing that I struggled with when I first started doing this, I didn't offer any type of guarantee. By offering a money back guarantee, by offering unlimited revisions, what happened is my business blew up simply because people that first came to me had no clue what my writing style was like. But then once they figured it out, once they got in, they paid me a little bit, they paid me for my first job, my first gig, whatever you want to call it, then they would pay me more. Then they would come back for more articles, more content, more or bigger jobs. And it's all because I gave them a guarantee, either money back or unlimited revisions. The majority of people ask for, revisions. They ask for, can you fix this? I don't like this word. Can you, change this sentence? Can you restructure the paragraphs? And I did it. I made the changes and I sent it back to them and they're happy with it. So offer a guarantee of some kind and you will get more money. You will get more jobs. You will make a lot more money, right? The second thing is when it comes to writing, spend the time to learn different things. For example, when I first started writing back in 2006, okay, that's when I started doing it as a full-time business. What happened was I didn't know a lot about medical. I didn't know a lot about different types of online marketing. It was still new then. I didn't know a lot about different fitness stuff, so I learned. I learned about different yoga things. I learned about different types of diets, the Atkins diet, all this different stuff. I learned because there were people asking for articles on that. There were people asking for medical articles, medical reports, all this stuff. And I had no clue what to do. So I learned, okay? By learning, you can increase your income very quickly. So those are the two pieces of advice I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.